another very important session from your modern India, and that is from Indian freedom struggle. In prelims examination of UPSC and in the mains also, including history optional as value addition. This concept is important for you. Every year, UPSC asks you a question like the leaders or the freedom fighters or the people, important people related to various movements. Maybe 1857 revolt, maybe Swadeshi movement or anti-Bengal partition movement, maybe it is Home Rule League movement, maybe it is non-cooperation movement, maybe it is in between Rowlatt Act Satyagraha, maybe it is a civil disobedience or Quit India movement or Rin mutiny, you see. So the leaders or the heroes of each movement in India's freedom struggle, India's national movement, that's very important for you. A usual question in the prelims examination and a value addition portion for your mains preparation, including history optional. Now here, the main heroes of Swadeshi movement. This is important for you. These leaders are important for you. Starting with Lala Lajpat Rai. Lala Lajpat Rai, he was Lal Bal Pal trio. They were the three main extremist leaders. They were the three main leaders of the Swadeshi movement. And Lala Lajpat Rai, he promoted or he given importance to promotion of industrial self-sufficiency. Okay, more importance given to India's own industrial self-sufficiency and promotion of technical education. Also, Lala Lajpat Rai is the same person who founded Home Rule League of America in New York, that is to support Indian movement from international community. Again, he was the elected president of this All India Trade Union Congress, co-founder of Punjab National Bank and many more, regarded as Punjab Kesari. Bal Gangadhar Tilak, another extremist leader, yes, he promoted Swadeshi movement in Pune or Pune, and he organized Ganapati festival and Shivaji festival, that is to mobilize the Indian masses against this colonialism, colonial government. And he promoted four ideas, which is Swaraj, Swadeshi, boycott and national education. In fact, these four become the goals of the extremists that become the central point of this Swadeshi movement, okay? That is Swaraj, promotion of Swaraj, Swadeshi, boycott of British goods and services and promotion of national education. Then Bipin Chandra Pal, he promoted Swadeshi movement in Bengal. He was the editor of New India. Then Rabindranath Tagore, he composed songs for the promotion of this nationalism and organized Raksha Bandhan, that is to promote this brotherhood among Indian Hindus and Muslims. Okay. Then Indian Hindus, Indian Muslims. Aurobindo Ghosh, he was the principal of, he was the principal of this Bengal National College, Calcutta, 1906. And also he was the editor of Bande Mataram. Okay, Aurobindo Ghosh was also, he was an extremist leader. Ashwini Kumar Dutt, he organized this Swadesh Bandab Samadi, a volunteer organization, and this was organized in Bengal, Swadesh Bandab Samadi. This was to promote indigenous services. I mean, this was to promote Swadeshi goods and services, and this was to promote this boycotting of the British goods and services. Also, he organized Muslim peasants of Badisal in their protest against this colonial government. Then Abdul Halim Ghaznavi, he was an industrialist. He was an industrialist. He was a zamindar, and he organized Swadeshi industries. He promoted Swadeshi industries, that is to promote this Swadeshi Swaraj concept, and that was to promote this boycott of the British industries, British goods and services. He was assisted by Abul Kalam Azad, a prominent leader of Indian National Congress. Acharya P.C. Roy organized Bengal Chemical Factory. This was also part of promotion of Swadeshi, indigenous goods and services. Okay, Bengal Chemical Factory. Satish Chandra Mukherjee, he organized Dawn Society and promoted national education. He promoted national education, rejection of Western education, and this promotion of indigenous education, or an education system which was founded on India's culture, India's values, India's traditions, etc. So here you can expect a question like this also, how the leaders are associated with different organizations, different movements, different newspapers, etc. in match the pair. That part is also very important. Then Dinsho Vacha, Yeah, he organized mill owners of Maharashtra to sell their dhotis at moderate prices for Indians. I mean, this is again, he's a person who promoted these indigenous, promotion of indigenous industries, indigenous goods and services. Pulindas organized Bara dacoity. He organized Bara dacoity. He was also the founder of this Dhaka Anushilan Samiti, revolutionary organization. So revolutionary part, that was the next phase of Swadeshi. That was the next climax phase of this Swadeshi, revolutionary organization, militant nationalism, etc. So here, Pulindas is the person who organized Bara dacoity, okay? And that was in East Bengal. Then he was also the organizer, founder of this Anushilan Samiti Dhaka branch. V.O. Chidambaram Pillai organized, founded Swadeshi Steam Navigation Company, and he organized indigenous shipping services. Okay, indigenous shipping services. Okay, Indian shipping services to compete with the British shipping services. Syed Haider Raza organized Swadeshi movement in Delhi. Liaquat Hussain organized East Indian Railway strike 1906. Okay, organized East Indian Railway strike in 1906. Muhammad Shafi organized Swadeshi movement, that is constructive Swadeshi movement in Punjab. Okay, rather than the boycotting programs, focus was on constructive Swadeshi programs. Subramanya Bharati, organized Tamilian revolutionary group. He organized or saw the seeds of this Swadeshi nationalism in Tamil Nadu, organized this Tamilian revolutionary group. So these leaders are very, very important for you. Their organization, their relevance, very, very important for you. Many of them were recently in the news also. When they are in the news, the personalities are important in your examination. Take care. And when you write about Swadeshi, for example, in GS1 or in your history optional, when you write about the Swadeshi movement, definitely as a value addition part of your answer, you can just specify the contributions of these leaders and in what dimension, what perspective they contributed to this Swadeshi. What were the different dimensions of this Swadeshi? Okay, that will be a value addition part of your history optional answer or your GS1 answer. So this you please take care, and leaders and heroes of each movement of Indian freedom struggle, that's important for you. Just go through it. All the best. Please do subscribe our channel. Wishing you all the very best. Thank you.